How to make audio sound better in Adobe Premiere Pro free tutorial. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. Drag the video or audio piece that you'd like the audio to sound better. Add an in point and an out point. And then go under to Effects and type in the following. Bass. Drag that on your audio piece. Treble. Hard limiter. And then go into the Effects Control panel and scroll down until you see the volume and the audio. And under Bass, we're going to put 5 decibels, under Treble, 11 decibels, and under the hard limiter, click Edit. And make sure the preset is default. Under Peak, or the first option which says Maximum Amplitude. Click this and drag it to the left. And as you can see, it becomes less in value, so that the audio won't peak like you're currently seeing on the screen. And this is the before.
Look, I'm not a young guy. That's no secret. But here's the deal. I understand how to get things done for the American people.
And this is the after.
Look, I'm not a young guy. That's no secret. But here's the deal. I understand how to get things done for the American people.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.